Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. Today I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, open Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Select Google Assistant and select Voice Match. Turn this function on and now go to lock screen. Make sure this function is also on. Now we can lock our screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 23 and a low of 12.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.